Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series. One way to encourage your site visitors to book a service is to offer a discount. So, today we're going to learn how to create a coupon for your appointment website with Wix. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and look for Marketing. And under Marketing, select Coupons. Click on New Coupon. Select the type of coupon you want to offer, a monetary discount coupon or a percentage discount coupon. Input your desired coupon code here. What you input here will automatically appear here, by the way. If you want to change your coupon name, you can do so as well. Now indicate your discount. Indicate the amount if you selected an amount coupon, or input the percentage if you selected the percentage coupon. Next, select the services it applies to. You can pick all services or just one service. Depends on you. Also, select from these options, apply once per order or apply to each eligible item in the order, but feel free to select which one you like. Next, let's set its validity. So set the start date over here, or the date you'd like your coupon to be valid. And also set the end date over here. If you don't want to set an end date to it, tick this checkbox. And finally, let's set up its limit uses. Would you like to limit the total number of uses for this coupon? If so, indicate that over here. Or limit to one use per customer. This is what I'd like to choose. Once you're done creating your coupon, review everything, and if everything's all good, click on Create Coupon, and your coupon should successfully be created. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.